Nice to meet you here. I'm welcome to AllenPack. AllenPack specializes in manufacturing and exporting shrimp packaging materials, such as the PVC, PET, POF, PE shrimp fins, shrimp tubing, shrimp labels, and the shrimp sleeving machine. Since 1980, AllenPack has been in the business of shrimp packaging materials and machinery, which makes us the longest established company in this field in Taiwan. Our products are sold in Southeast Asia, America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, and Australia, and have attained international professional certifications such as NSF, 2, SGS, and ISO 9001. Horizontal shrimp sleeving machine, especially for small products, such as lipstick, brow pencils, instant glues, batteries, and other small tubular containers. The tube diameter range is from 8 mm to 30 mm size products. It could have a highly accurate rotary positioning system and can position in 0.5 seconds. A modular design structure ensures zero failure rate, easy to disassemble and replace. It is a splendid honor to be recognized by National Taiwan Excellence Award in year 2021. We believe doing business is not only dealing with customers, but also making friends with them. This is also the main reason why AllenPack is different from other companies and always can promote its products widely to the world for its high-quality service. We continuously improve ourselves on technical, profession, and service, with the purpose to be the total solution provider of shrimp packaging, as well as the professional expert in this field.